Alright, well here we are, about 3 hours and 15 minutes in, and it did rather well. Check it out. Just finishing up the last few passes now. It's very smooth. These parts will work just fine, so pretty happy with the way they turned out. The equipment and everything is working real good. Just about done. So not much more to do. We're running on the last couple passes back here on the back side. So pretty much that's it. Next pass will be just the cutting loose. So I've got these mounted from underneath. There are some screws, 2 screws per part. So not doing too bad, so looks like it's close, but those few passes will probably take another 15 minutes. So anyway, that's pretty much it. So I'll chime back in and show you the final piece. Talk at you later.